Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Emma from Learning Plus, an adult skills charity in Ambleside. This is our first video on Zoom basic skills, and in this video we purely look at installing the Zoom client on a computer and then also on a smartphone. And then in our following videos we look at how to join a meeting and then how to control your view and microphone and camera in our third video. So let's get to it. So on a PC, I just need to open a web browser. So that might be Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, which is this one at the bottom here. Or you might have, there's a few others. In the search bar at the top, I'm just going to type in Zoom and press enter. And then zoom.us comes up with download as an option within that. So I'm going to click on download. And that gives me the download center with Zoom client for meetings, and that's what we want. So I'm going to click download. And on Chrome that puts it at the bottom, same with Microsoft Edge. Once that's there, I can click on that. Okay, so I've paused that just there because it might be that your computer asks you if it's okay for Zoom to make changes to your computer, and you need to click yes to that at this point if it does. Let's carry on. And it opens it. And that's it downloaded. You can join a meeting without signing in, but it is slightly better if you create a login. But you don't need to pay for either the client or having a sign-in. So once it's installed, we can access it by clicking on the Windows button and scrolling right down through here to Z. We see a little folder, Zoom, and Zoom there. If we want it to feature on the taskbar at the bottom, then we're going to right click on that and click More and Pin to Taskbar. And then we can see it on our taskbar there. Okay, so we're going to download the Zoom app on the mobile phone. To do this, we can click Play Store. I have that on my home screen. If I didn't, then I would find my apps on this phone. You swipe up and Play Store will be under P and is this triangular one. So open that, and then at the top we're going to click tap search and we're going to type in Zoom and tap Zoom, and then we're going to click install. So that's going to gradually download. So that green circle goes round as it downloads it, and then it has the grey circle going round while it installs it. And then once we get the green open, we can click open. So if this is the first time we've used Zoom, we can just tap join a meeting as a guest, but we can also sign up so that it keeps our name and things. We don't have to sign those in every time. So if we click sign up, now wants to know how old we are. I will use the date of birth of Learning Plus, which is January, and then I can type 2002, just so it knows we're old enough. And then I'm going to use an email address I've not signed up for before. Okay, so obviously by signing up, I'm agreeing to their privacy service and terms of service, which you can tap on if you want to read. I can click sign up. So it's sending me an email, which I then need to go to my email address and tap on the link to activate.
Okay, so we've downloaded the app or the client, and our next video shows you how to start using that. I showed you how to sign in on the smartphone app. Just to be clear, it doesn't cost anything to sign in to Zoom, and you can use Zoom without creating a sign in. So if you'd rather not give any information, then you can achieve that. You can use it without that, but there's no cost involved in signing up, and it just means you can save your settings and personalize things, which we'll look at in one of the other videos. Okay, see you in the next one.